Ay, dumating na yung package from Lazada. Bumili ako ng, ano to? Yung pen tablet. Kasi nasira na yung sa akin. So, binuksan ko na ito. Hindi ko na-document. Pero, kabubukas ko lang yung plastic. Okay naman siya. Wala namang any marks ng sira sa box. So, that's done. Next is, ito na. So, may sticker dito. Seal of guarantee. Seal of guarantee. Bowl. Anyway, let's open this. Ito. Okay. So, binidideo ko ito dahil kailangan may proof. Wala nung, without video, wala nung, no video, no return policy na eh. Tama naman. Okay. Ang hirap ng buksan eh. Ayan. Okay, so,
Banshee, no?
uy. Okay. So,
Banshee.
bubungad sa'yo ito. The tablet mismo, mainit-init pa. Okay. So, set aside. Let's set this aside. Inside the bag, or the box. Uy, may pen! Yes! Hopefully, hindi siya rechargeable. Ayan, hindi naman. Then, may adapter ng USB-C. Oh! And then, this one. Yung cable niya. And meron pang mga ibang, yung parang sa pencil. Pati, yan, ito. Booklet. So, that's what you get. So, balik ko lang to. Don't need that. This, tinago ko yung pen nung luma ko eh. Hindi ko tinapon eh. Naasar na ako nung tinapon ko na eh. Ito yung mga pens noon. Pero, mas malaki yung pen niya kasi sa noon. Yung huli ko, Wacom tablet. So, ito, ilagay ko muna ito sa box dito. That's done. So, ito na. Here. Amoy HMR. Hindi, may brand new. HMR. Connector niya is USB, micro USB, yung sinaunang USB. May 4 na buttons dito, hindi ko pa alam. So, I'm assuming na may, na may app na i-download. So, here's the instructions. So, yes, connect computer. Walang English. Ayun, may English. Ah, seryoso?
Google ka na lang.
Ayun,
Google
ito.
Translate.
Okay. O nga, no? Ito. 1. Connect to computer. 2. Connect to Android phone tablet. Okay. 3. Install driver. Okay. Replace the pen nib. What? Replace the pen nib. Anong driver? Okay. Where is the driver? What? Wait, is this Huion? Okay, Huion pala. Meron daw sa Google Play. Nako, Android. Ang alam ko, ano to eh. Kaya ako binili pwede sa Mac eh. Sabi Mac or Android eh. Sige, tingnan natin. Tanggal natin. So, connect muna dito. Yes, connect it here. And then, connect sa, lagyan natin dito. Tapos ito, ayan, ito na. Got it na. Sige, ito na. Dito. We're gonna connect it here. Let's see what happens. Yan, connected. Okay, keyboard assist. Setup. Continue. So identify your keyboard. Press the key immediately to the right of the shift key on the left side of the keyboard. Is there any? None? The keyboard cannot identify. Okay. Ano to? ISO, Latin America, Japan, most of Asia, ANSI. Okay naman yan. Sige. Assume ko na gumagana. Gumagana na pala. Okay, wala nang driver. Direkta na. Ayun oh. Okay, good. You just have to figure out kung ano yung mga buttons na to. Well, kita nyo pa yung pinapanood ko si Rick Beato. What's this? Huion pala. Huion driver. Download for mukhang walang Mac ha. For Mac. Hanapin natin. Ayan. Meron naman. Huion, how to install Huion driver on Mac. Huion download center. How to install download center. Huion pala, hindi Leon. Huion. Yan. Okay, so I have the pen tablet. Yeah, pen tablet. Series. What's this? What series is this? Sige, ayun. Inspiroy. Tapos product name is Hi. Ba't may hi dito? Windows or Mac. Ayan. After the driver is installed, you can Open your drawer. Pero gumagana na siya eh. So, pero sige, download pa rin natin. Tablet display, work area, and software. Kasi minsan, kailangan talaga to eh for customized press key eh. Kasi, minsan, hindi ganito orientation. Minsan, ginagano ko yan eh. So, how to customize and press a key. Okay. Oh, wait. Nasaan yung download? Download muna. How to set up. How to set up eh. Nasaan yung download? How to install. Okay, how to install lahat ito eh. Nasaan yung driver for the version 15. Okay, driver ito, 15. Mac OS. Version 13 and 14.
Budget.
Teka, ano ba Mac OS ko? Lumang computer to eh. How to uninstall version 12 drivers. Okay. How to install 15 drivers. Ito, version 12. So, yan. Oh, nasaan yung driver mismo? What? Okay. Da-download ko muna to. Support ito eh. I need the driver mismo. Product name. Ayan. Inspiroy what? How do we know kung anong Inspiroy siya? Meron ba nakasulat dito? Inspiroy lang nakasulat dito eh. Ay, yeah. RTE 100. Ayun pala. Nakasulat sa baba. So, Inspiroy RTE 100 there. Tapos, yan. Driver update log. Download Mac OS driver. Window. Ayan. So, ito download. Driver 15. Older version. Itong newer version siguro. Yes. Okay.
No.
Yan. So, downloaded na. Bilis, di ba? Tapos, double click. Double click that. And then, Huion application. Yan. Mag-install na siya. Okay, good. Done. Clear out. We go to... Oh, nasa na? Di ba dapat... Ayun! Ba't napunta dito sa una? Okay. So, Huion tablet. You got it. Ayan. So, Huion is an app downloaded from internet. Yes, open lang. Okay. Meron pa. Would like to control this computer. Open preferences. Mag-enter pa ng password dito later. Dahil yan. O-open pa to. So, magpa-password pa tayo. Ayan. So, in-enter ka na yung password and accessibilities. So, hanapin natin yung Huion. Ayun. I-check nyo to. Huion tablet. Yan. And then, close na yan. Yun. So, let's see. Ito na yung niya. So, ito yung tablet. Testing natin. Okay, good. So, press a key. Press key. What press key? Okay, gumagana lahat. Enable press key. Yes. Tapos, digital pen. Yeah. What's this? This is for E. This is for mouse right click. This is E. Execute pa yan tawag doon. Yeah. Yeah. Right click to. Yes. Gumagana naman. Yes. Tapos, pressure settings. Okay lang yan. Tapos, ano pa ba? Pressure settings, press key. Okay, mouse mode, and ayan. Tablet pen. Okay, ito, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Keyboard key is... okay, you can assign. So, bracket. Ito, this is shift. Command equal sign. And this is command minus sign. Okay, tsaka ako na usin yan. Mukhang okay na to. So, yan. Ito na yon. Gumagana. So, kung nakabili kayo ng Inspiroy or Inspiroy by Huion from Lazada. Yan na yung pinaka-process from start to finish. Kita nyo lahat. Okay. So far, it's good. Close this. Ayun. Okay. Working. Yan, makapagturo na ako. Kasi kailangan ko to for my teaching lesson. Nagle-lessons ako online. Ayan. Okay, good. Very good. So, yan. Yan na yung Inspiroy by Huion. Working. It's good. Magkano? It's less than 1,000 pesos. Okay.